Hey tubers. Well, what am I standing in front of? We've got an 02 build November 2003 Tundra. So this truck is actually 22 years old. And I've been driving it the whole time. It's two-wheel drive, automatic V8. It's got that 4.7. You know how it is. You can't kill those things. And it's starting to show its age. Trust me, it's had a lot of repairs done over time, maybe more than other people's trucks, and it's got its dents and problems. But it's basically stock. I haven't done anything to it major, and just fix and replace what's broken. Ooh, it's cold out today. So, this is what it is. Like I said, I'm the original driver, owner, all that other stuff. I think the biggest problem with this truck actually has been that the shift lever keeps snapping off. Otherwise, it's been a good runner. I've had to replace pulleys and belts and carrier bearings and rear main oil seals and lots of front suspension and brakes and whatever, but doesn't burn any oil, starts up every day. I'm gonna keep pushing it down the road. Maybe I'll give you a more in-depth review when I get into the house, and we'll see what I've got in the video stash. I hope you're having a good day. I'm trying to.